Hi, Cynthia. Mrs. Renfro here. I just shared your Bright Thinker agenda to your email and to your mom's email. I just wanted to give you a walkthrough of what this entails and how it can help you to stay on track this year. If you look up here, you can find all the information, your login information, how you can get a hold of Mrs. Renfro, and if you ever have any technical problems, this is going to be your best bet. I would call this number or email the support at epiccharterschools.org. And that would be like computer problems or internet problems if you have Epic Internet. Also, these are all of the programs that you're going to be using this year. Your Bright Thinker, obviously you know how to get to Bright Thinker, but here's a link to it if you need it. Lexia, it appears like it has not been ordered yet, so I am going to order that for you. It should be loaded hopefully by next week, and it is very self-explanatory. Once it is loaded into Clever, you'll just click on it and it will take you through the lesson. You'll do one lesson a day. The first lesson will be kind of a placement test, so it might take a little bit longer, but after that, you'll just work on it for about 20 minutes a day. I think that's about how long each lesson is. Prodigy, I created an account for you, so you'll just click on the prodigygame.com. This is your username and your password. If you ever want to get some online books, this is a great resource, getepic.com. Our star testing we will do from clever.com, but we'll do that in person, so you don't really need to worry about that. And then typing.com, you'll find this on Clever as well. And I'll show you where you can find that here, but here's your username and your password. It's the same as your Epic username and password. Benchmark information is going to be here. So this is your fall benchmark scores, and I'm sure that Miss Allen shared all of that information with you, but if you need a report on that, well, let me know and I will get it to you. But this is the scaled score right here, and then your percentile rank with other third graders in Oklahoma. Okay, this is a weekly checklist, and this is just kind of nice to kind of keep you on track so you know exactly what you need to be working on every day. Morning meeting, as I told your mom, it is optional. If you wake up and you think, hey, I think I would like to be with some other third graders this morning and maybe do some spiral review, absolutely hop on. I'm going to show you where the link is for that. Prodigy, 20 minutes per day. Lexia, 20 minutes per day. So you can check it off as you get them done. Bright Thinker, you're going to follow the pacing guide. I'll show you the pacing guide in just a moment. But Bright Thinker, I feel like they do a pretty good job of giving you the assignments as you need them. But we'll take a look at that in a minute. And then our virtual meetings, Mondays at 11 and then Tuesdays at 11. And then our in-person meetings will be Wednesday from 9 to 11:30. And I will be there next week. Hopefully I will not be sick again. So here's your pacing guide. Has it broken down by each subject and language arts. This is where we want you to be. The highlighted part is what the goal is for the week. So by the end of tomorrow, the goal is to be at 9% in Bright Thinker, at 9% in math, science, social studies, and then hopefully we're getting our 20 minutes in every day for Prodigy and Lexia. Because you're just now getting this information, it's not a requirement for this week, so I'm going to grade that out. But hopefully next week you'll have that uploaded and we'll get those 20 minutes in per day every week. And I guess it would be 100 minutes instead of 20 minutes. I need to change that. Also, you can kind of see the things that we cover for the week in here. We had our ELA meeting. We covered the writing process. You can see the little breakdown of the writing process here, and we'll continue working on that next week. And then the Epic calendar is in here. I'm going to take you back to Clever real quick because I wanted to just show you some cool things in here. So this is, I logged in as you. So, you know, your Google Calendar is going to be a really good tool for you. I'm sure that you know that. You can get to your meetings from there. And I'm going to heart Google Docs for you too, because that is a really cool tool. You can type things in there and then upload it to BrightThinker if you need, or if we're working on an assignment online, you can do create them in Google Docs. If you've never used Google Docs, it's really important that, say I'm doing a blank one, that you title it, every document, so you know what it is, and then you share it with Mrs. Renfro if it's an assignment. So you would go to share, and notice before you can share, you have to title it. So I'm just going to title it Cynthia, and save it. And now you're going to want to make sure that you add me as, that you share it with me so I have access to it and so I can see it. So as you can see, this is my email. So if you start typing in Aislinn, A-I-S, I guarantee this will probably pop up for you and you'll share it with me. And you can copy the link here if you need it. Okay, so back to the Clever portal. As I said in the pacing guide, you're going to want to look at your percentage. So I'm going to log in as you real quick. And as you can see your progress right here. Doesn't actually say what it is though. So I'm going to click into it and I can see that your progress in language arts is at 6%. You can see your to-do list for each subject. And I'm sure that you probably are aware of most of these things in here, but I did want to show you how you could see your percentage. You can also see your activity stream, what all you've done for the week. That's kind of nice to look back and go, oh, did I turn that in? Oh, okay, I can see here. I submitted it, I turned it in. And one more thing I wanted to show you in here. This is my page. If you click into A. Renfro's page, you can get to typing.com from here. You can get to Prodigy from here. Flowcabulary is a really fun resource that you can use to watch fun videos, educational videos. Okay, stop. I'm so sorry. That's my German Shepherd. We talked about him, didn't we? Nearpod is in here as well, and then your morning meeting links or your meeting links are in here as well. If you want to join via this, and if this makes it easier for you, you can do that. So 4th grade, Mondays at 11, you can click here. It'll take you straight to our meeting. I'm not going to get on that right now though, because we're not having a meeting at this moment. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of walk you through some of those things and let me know if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. I know that's a lot of information to take in, but hopefully this will help to keep you on track and so that you know that you are doing everything that you need to do for the week. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great Thursday and I will talk to you soon.